It was a quiet morning in Greenfield Village. The sun was shining and birds were singing softly. A young man named Tom walked out of his small wooden house. He smiled and stretched his arms. "Today will be a good day," he said. But when he reached for his bicycle, he realized something strange. His key was missing. Tom checked his pockets. Nothing. He looked under the chair, under the bed, even inside his shoes. No key. "Oh no," he said. "Without the key, I can't open the garden gate." He decided to look around the village. He met Mrs. Brown, the baker. "Good morning, Tom. You look worried," she said. "I lost my key, Mrs. Brown. Have you seen it?" She shook her head. "No, dear, but maybe the children by the river saw something." Tom ran to the river. Two children, Ben and Lily, were playing with paper boats. "Hi, kids. Did you see a small silver key around here?" Lily thought for a moment. Maybe. I saw something shiny near the old bridge." Tom thanked them and ran quickly. The sun was now high and the air was warm. At the bridge, Tom looked everywhere, in the grass, on the stones, even in the water. Then he heard a small meow. It was Milo, the village cat. Milo was playing with something shiny between his paws. "Hey, Milo, that's my key!" Tom laughed. He carefully took the key from the cat. "Thank you, little thief," he said kindly. Tom returned home still smiling. He opened his garden gate and parked his bike. Then he looked at the key and said, "You know, sometimes we lose things to find happiness in small moments." That evening, Tom sat by the window, watching the sunset over Greenfield Village. He felt peaceful because even a lost key can bring a beautiful story. This is the end story. I'll see you soon. Bye.